This video will show how to mount frame on top of the power supply, then install the thermostatic device. You'll also learn how to take apart the components and exchange the frame with an adapter for different framing systems, for example a rounded one. The power supply mounts with the frame on top, which then receives the thermostatic device as such, clicks into and fixes the thermostat. In case you have a different frame than the Danfoss supplied frame, then the whole part can be taken apart and exchanged with either an adapter for a different framing system. Of course, your frame goes below this, or the front part can be adapted with the rounded spacer as such to fit into your frame. If it has rounded corners, of course the frame goes between the power supply and the actual thermostat device.